In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate manage.wix.com to effectively manage your online store and set up payment systems. Let's get started by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you can view all of your sites and any recent activity. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it will be your central hub for managing your sites. Next, look for the Settings option located on your dashboard. Settings is where you'll find the tools and options to configure your website properties. Click on it and it will lead you to a new page filled with various features designed to help you customize your business settings. On this page, you will want to locate and select Accept Payments. This step is crucial as it allows your website to process transactions securely. When you click Accept Payments, you'll be prompted to set up a payment provider. Wix offers several options including Wix Payments, PayPal, and Stripe. Choose one that best suits your needs. Let's say you select Wix Payments. The system will guide you through connecting your account. Verify your account information thoroughly to ensure you are authorized to receive payouts. This verification is key to avoiding any potential transaction issues in the future. Once you've set up your payment provider, it's time to test your payment flow. This is important to make sure everything runs smoothly before you start accepting real payments. Switch your payment method to test mode if you're using Wix Payments, or select the sandbox mode if you opted for PayPal or Stripe. In test mode, perform a test checkout to simulate an actual transaction. This step helps in identifying any setup errors or user experience issues your customers might face. Finally, after confirming that your payment flow is functioning flawlessly, it's time to publish your site and go live. Make sure to turn off the test mode, switch your site settings back to live, and hit the publish button. Your site will now be ready to accept real payments from customers. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional online store operational on your Wix website. If at any point you encounter issues, Wix has a range of support resources to help you troubleshoot common problems. Now you have everything you need to start reaching a wider audience and managing your business transactions effectively. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.